keep up with your mood swings. What is
Hey everybody,
troubling your
Pandi here of Pandi's Hair,
mind?
Candy, and more.
Are you
If
doing
this is your
business?
first time visiting, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. I am super excited to have you here joining me for another quick haul. I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and more. And tonight I am going to be talking to you guys about replenishing your home arsenal for your skincare and self-care needs and showing you that that does not have to break the bank. There are definitely affordable ways and creative ways to do so and still not cheat yourself. So if you're interested in seeing that type of positive, uplifting self-care content, definitely stick around. Please, if you have not done so already, blow dry on the like button for me. That way, more people will discover my channel here. Sharing is caring after all. So please feel free to share the video on your community tabs here on YouTube or your other social media platforms. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm going to add my other camera to the screen, so hopefully y'all can see that. So on this channel here lately, since I just turned 50 a few weeks ago, I have been doing a lot more self-care, skincare content. And why? Because as we age, especially as women, we want to keep ourselves up. I was taught early on at a young age, as a little girl, as a preteen, as a young adult, to take pride in my personal appearance. I try to instill that in my children, both my sons and my daughter. And I think, when we age, of course, we still continue to do that. However, we have to tweak things along the way. Sometimes that looks a little different. So, typical spa treatments, facials, and spa sessions can run upwards $150 to $200. And in these tough economical times, nobody has time for that. Okay. So I know, like me, for example, I work full time Monday through Friday, very busy, high demand, high pressure job in a hospital setting. So when I come home on Fridays, I like to unwind with a nice DIY home facial. And I still don't want to cheat myself. I want all the perks and all the benefits. So I've recently invested in a steamer. And I have a monthly beauty box subscription, things like that, to still be able to pour into me. As an empty nester, my children are grown now and out on their own. But for the years that I was raising them, as mothers, and parents, we find ourselves putting ourselves on the back burner and putting everybody before us. So now I'm at the time in my life where I'm trying to pour back into me. And sometimes that can be as simple as taking 15 to 30 minutes to do something kind for yourself, like a relaxing facial or a relaxing scalp treatment or a scalp massage. Whatever it is that you enjoy, try to find affordable ways to do it. You'll feel good about yourself. You feel rejuvenated and you just feel better. It improves your whole overall outlook on the way that you approach things. So, like I said, tonight, this is a quick haul just to show you guys that you can definitely still get your self-care in on an affordable budget. I have been doing my Friday night, Fresh Skincare Friday night lives. And so I needed to replenish some things for the next upcoming live. So I thought, let me show them what I'm talking about. So, for example, I grabbed this right here. As you can see, this is just a little vanity organizer, something to put your tools in for your home spa. You can put makeup brushes, Q-tips, or whatever you use in here. $1.25. Okay. Here is something else that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Okay. Just another simple container $1.25. Something to help you organize and stock up your home arsenal. I also picked up this mini jade roller. This is something to help relieve puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles that we tend to get under our eyes, okay? Little jade roller, little face roller, okay? And again, eyes, under eye bags, puffiness. These are hot and cold eye pads that I got from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. Okay. Lastly, I got these foot masks. Okay. There's one pair, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And then this hand and nail glove set, also from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so as you can see, I am pretty well stocked for a nice little mini Pamper Me session. And as you can see, those few items right there was under $10. So you can get your steamer going at home, put some nice music on, light a candle, dim the lights, pour you up a nice glass of wine or champagne. If you're non-alcoholic, you can brew up some hot tea, whatever you like to do to get comfortable and unwind and just go into your Zen space. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I just wanted to showcase, I know a lot of times we watch influencers make these videos and they're showing us these things that cost so much money. But for us average everyday working people, that can tend to be out of reach. So I hope that this helps somebody to see that, you know what, you can still unwind, pamper yourself, and relax. Get your self-care in at least 15 to 30 minutes for as little as $10. Okay? Once again, guys, I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If you have enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment section. I always enjoy your feedback. Also, sharing is caring. Please share the video out with somebody that you know who enjoys this type of uplifting content. Until next time, guys, continue to stay safe, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and don't stress, and I will try to do the same. Bye, guys.